You're watching WRDE Coast TV.
Good Thursday morning, everyone. Today is March 15th. I'm Abbey Smith, and it's time for your WRDE online local news update. Toys R Us is expected to begin proceedings toward liquidation today. Toys R Us informed employees Wednesday that it will most likely close or sell all of its 800 remaining stores across the U.S. If that happens, 33,000 employees will lose their jobs in one of the largest retail layoffs. It's still unknown what will happen to customers holding Toys R Us gift cards. At least one U.S. senator is urging the company to redeem outstanding gift cards for cash. The big box toy retailer is reportedly exploring options that could potentially keep 200 stores open after it liquidates. United Airlines is investigating after mistakenly flying a family's dog to Japan instead of Kansas City, Missouri.
My kennel had his dog tag name on it, everything. So how they mix this up, we have no idea.
Kara Swindle went to pick up her dog from the airport after flying United Airlines from Oregon to Missouri with her two children because they were moving. She had booked her 10-year-old German Shepherd, Ergo, on a separate United flight after being told the dog was not able to fly on her plane. When she went to get Ergo at a cargo facility, she was instead given a Great Dane puppy, with her German Shepherd nowhere to be found. Swindle eventually learned that the two dogs had been mixed up and Ergo had been put on a flight to Japan, where the Great Dane was supposed to go. Swindle has been working with United to get Ergo on a flight back home, and she is making sure he is escorted and is not put into cargo again. This news comes shortly after United admitted to killing a dog when a flight attendant forced it to travel in an overhead bin. More money is on the way to help some Delaware school students in need. Governor John Carney announced a $50,000 grant at Lake Forest Elementary School in Harrington. The money will stock basic needs closets in 45 schools statewide. They'll be stocked with clothing, school supplies, and hygiene products. The grant came from Highmark, Delaware. Well, the town of Dewey Beach is turning a new page with the new town manager. Scott Koenig is the newly appointed town manager in Dewey Beach. He began his tenure on Monday. Koenig also spent 27 years as Dover's city manager before retiring last year. He says he's trying to rebuild the trust between his office and Dewey citizens.
Well, it's my intent to be very visible to the citizens. It's my intent to understand what the commissioners want and the mayor wants implemented. And then it's also my intent to meet with the businesses and various constituencies, including property owners.
One police department is making sure their neighbors are getting around safely. Ocean City Police recently received 40 bicycle lights to give to residents in an effort to improve bicycle safety. Any resident that rides a bike at night and does not have headlights and taillights is encouraged to bring their bike to the Public Safety Building on Coastal Highway. Police personnel will then install a new set of lights for free. Last year, more than half of all bicycle collisions occurred during the nighttime hours. We're just 2 days away now from the 2018 Ocean City St. Patrick's Day Parade here on WRDE. We'll have it for you live this Saturday at 11:30. The parade is hosted every year by the Delmarva Irish American Club. I'll be there along with Ann Emanuel, Kim Walker, and Dean Langrall. Be sure to look for the I.G. Burton weather truck as well as the Irish Eye in the sky. Again, that's this Saturday, March 17th, live right here on WRDE. And let's not forget our WRDE Person of the Day, Jamie Lynn Lorenzi of Rehoboth Beach. If you see Jamie Lynn, tell her to have a great day. And that wraps it up for this morning's online local news update. Remember, you can always turn first to WRDE.com or WRDE's Facebook page for more local news throughout the day. I'm Abbey Smith. Thanks for joining me.